Did you get a letter from the Vermont Department of Taxes requesting more information? The letter may give you the option to respond using My VTax. My VTax is free and it's faster than mailing. What you'll need: the letter ID located on the top right corner of the letter below the date. An electronic file of the requested document saved on your computer or device ready to upload. Go to myvtax.vermont.gov and click Respond to Correspondence in the Submissions and Correspondence section of the home page. Enter the letter ID from the letter. The ID starts with the letter L. To attach the requested information, click Add on the right side of the screen. A pop-up window appears. Briefly describe the file you're attaching. Click Browse to search for the file in your computer or device and select it. Click OK in the pop-up to upload the file to My VTax. You can upload additional files if needed. Simply click Add again and repeat the process for each additional file. When you have finished uploading files, click Submit. Enter and confirm your email, then click OK. A confirmation page will appear. Click Print or save it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel.